YouTube was good, y'all. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech. Guys, we got the Spigen Essential S case right here. Drop tested, certified, Clear, long clarity on this case, guys. This, as you guys can see, is a clear case. You know what I'm saying? And it also comes with a universal metal kickstand. And of course, mag fit, right? And of course, MagSafe capability or compatibility. All right, YouTube. But before we get into the video, though, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew, guys. Time of this recording, let me just take a look real quick. We're at 433 subscribers, guys. Each and one of you guys has contributed to the club, has contributed to the crew. All right, YouTube. So without further ado, YouTube, let's get straight into the video. All right, so boom, this is a case right here. We already took a look at it. Spigen, obviously, it's a Spigen case. All right, shout out to Spigen for this case. All right, I bought these from London Drugs, actually. They didn't sponsor this video, so I bought this from London Drugs. It ran me about $67. All right, typical, rate for this type of case. All right, to open it, obviously, push down here, boom, and then you're greeted with the case. All right. So this is the case right here, as you guys can see. All right, clear case, right? It looks really nice. All right, there's no yellow stain on it or anything like that, right? A lot of these clear cases, they got tarnished or they get yellow after a long time. All right, but I had this case for a week, so it's not long enough to know if it's gonna turn yellow or not. But they do say it's clear, so I don't think it's gonna turn yellow anytime soon. All right, as you guys can see, it comes with a metal kickstand. This is pretty durable. All right, this is very hard. All right, this thing ain't breaking unless you, it could break if you force it that way, but in terms of doing your daily, putting your kickstand on the table, I don't think it's gonna break. All right, it has MagSafe. We're gonna test that out with the MagSafe device that we have right here. We're gonna test that out if it's really MagSafe. All right, we gotta test the tech. All right, camera cutout has a little hump. I don't know if y'all can see that. If it wants to focus a bit. All right, camera hump. So it's gonna protect your camera hump. Then there's the buttons right here. You know what I'm saying? The different button cutouts. All right, the action button right here. All right, sorry, I should put this out right here. The action button is right here. What am I saying? This is just the power button. Wait, hold on. What is it? Yeah, the power button. Bro, I'm trippy. I'm trippy. This is a power button. Action button, volume up, volume down. All right. The cutout right here for the camera. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. And then obviously down here, the cutout for, of course, if it wants to zoom. Come on, man. Zoom. Okay, I guess it's on the zoom. But yeah, that's the cutout for the, the charging port. And then the speakers. All right. So we're going to put in the iPhone 15 Pro. All right. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, boom. There you go. Look how nice that looks. All right. Someone just like my reel. You know what I'm saying? But look how nice that looks, guys. Whew. But I gotta say this. It's a fingerprint magnet, man. I had this for a week, and it's been a fingerprint magnet. But nonetheless, guys, from far, hey, man, it looks pretty nice. You feel me? Right, this is the camera right here. As you guys can see, it covers it, so if you were to put it on your table, it ain't gonna scratch. You know what I'm saying? These are the cutouts right here. All right, and then you got a little bit of a, man, this thing does not want to focus. But anyways, it says got a little number right here, and then as you guys can see, the rockers, the speakers. Man, this thing does not want to focus. Right here, you can see it says Spigen. Right? Spigen, like so. Volume up. Clickable. Volume down. Very clickable. Action button. You know what I'm saying? Action button. Hold it. Does what it needs to do. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this case looks pretty nice. What does it say up here? It says, oh shoot, I just turned on the the flasher. Every time I do this, I turn on the flasher every single time. All right. What does it say right here? It says, if it wants to focus, air cushion technology. All right. So yeah, YouTube, if you were to, this ain't breaking 100%. This thing's durable. You know what I mean? But yeah, we gotta test if the MagSafe works on this thing. All right. So yeah, let's put this aside. Let's test it out. All right. All right. So we got the MagSafe right here from Black Web. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna test this out. So obviously, the MagSafe right here, you're just gonna put it on there, and it works. All right. It's connecting. As you can see, it's charged. You know what I mean? And let me put this back on there. Actually, I want to test if it's gonna go anywhere. All right. All right. It's pretty durable. Ain't going nowhere. I'm wiggling this thing. Ain't going nowhere. So this magnet is pretty safe. All right. So yeah, the MagSafe works perfectly fine on this case. All right. Again, guys, by the way, I did another clear case review on Spigen. You know, that was about like a month ago or two. And yeah, if you guys want to check that out, link in the description. Now we're going to check if the wireless charging works on this case. All right. So I'll be right back. I got to hook this up to my computer. All right, we back. As you guys can see, we got the wireless charging right here. I'm just going to put the phone on it and see if it works. All right, it's charging. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Let me do that again. Hold on. Doesn't want to do it again. Hold on, let me just give it a sec. All right, it's charging. All right. So it seems like everything on this case seems to be working perfectly fine. Guys, is this certified real tech? In my opinion, it is. However, I got one gripe. It is the fingerprints on this thing and the dust. You see that it's picking up dust on the top of it. So if you really want to showcase this phone, I don't want it to be all dusty and fingerprinty. You feel me? I don't want to be wiping my phone every single time and doing like this just so that people can see how nice my phone looks in this case. You feel me? But yeah, YouTube, besides that, everything seems to be working perfectly fine. Oh yeah, the kickstand. I don't know if you tested it, but yeah, the kickstand works perfectly fine. You can watch your Netflix or a movie or whatever comfortably with this metal kickstand. You know what I'm saying? So everything seems to work on this case. This case looks real robust and real nice. All right, YouTube. So yeah, that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. Regrowing up in here. Guys, if you guys like more case reviews, let me know down below. All right, YouTube. So yeah, that's the video. Guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to subscribe. We're at 433 subscribers. All right, YouTube. So we out. Peace.